My mom got cough and cold, so I'm making ginger and tulsi tea. So here there's red and green tulsi. So I'm gonna pluck this. So she's making ginger tea. Post it in the comments. What do you think is in the difference with red and green tulsi? I think there are many differences. So post few differences in the comments. So here are the tulsis. My mom is gonna make tea out of it with ginger.
So I've grated the ginger and washed the tulsi leaves. I've kept about 2 tall glasses of water to boil. And now I'm going to add this grated ginger and tulsi leaves. I like to chop herbs with my hand. You can also chop it using knife. Grated ginger will release more flavor. That's why I just grate it and add the juice also, whatever remains when you're grating. Let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, if you're having it for the first time, then make it lighter by boiling it for a less time, adding less ginger. You can add sweeteners, you can add mint leaves to this. It's really healthy and serve this hot. It's really good for cough and cold, for digestion, for anxiety. You can also squeeze lemon juice on this. So it's ready to serve. You can keep this ready and drink it throughout the day by warming it up. I got cough and cold, so I thought of trying ginger and tulsi tea. You can add sweeteners to this like honey or jaggery, whatever sweeteners you like. If you don't like ginger much, or if you're trying it for the first time, try it with a little quantity first and then eventually increase the quantity. And it's not only good for cough and cold, but it's very calming and soothing. You can also add mint to this, add lemon juice. You can make different versions and change it as per your taste. It's really feels so good drinking this tea. Try this out and have a blessed day.